Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Louis and today is a brand new video. It's actually a brand new series. I'm starting a whole series here of a £0 to £1,000 eBay dropshipping challenge. So if you guys are ready for this, make sure you press that like button and also press that subscribe button. This series is going to be great if you're a new eBay dropshipper or even if you're an existing one. It would be some good entertainment for you guys. You might pick up a few more tips. And yeah, so what I've done is I've created a brand new stealth account. You may be a bit confused. You start from £0. How have you done this? Well, as you know, for eBay dropshipping, you have to buy the product once the customer orders it. So I need a bit of startup cash. So how am I going to do that from £0? How am I going to get some cash for that? So what I've done is I've sold an old laptop I've got. So what you guys can do if you want to do the same thing, if you just want to get started, you've not got much money or you don't want to invest any money, what you can do is go around your house, find items you can sell for a bit of money, just get up to £100. I'm sure you have things in your house for £100, and that equates to about $125 US dollars. So find something around your house, list it on eBay, and see how much you'll get for it. Do it for auction. All I did was find one of my old laptops I no longer use, and I put it up for auction, and it sold for £130, I think it was. So we're going to go post that today, and we're going to get some things listed as well. So let's get started. So here is the old laptop I'm selling, and it's currently being reset. Okay guys, so I just got out the post office and it's now been posted. Here's my receipt. And basically I'm going to get back home and we're going to list some products. I'm going to see where we get from there. And yeah, let's get there right now. Alright, so now that laptop's been posted, we're ready to start listing items for dropshipping. Now the tracking number's all uploaded, so because you got to remember, this is a brand new eBay stealth account with no reviews, as you can see up here, 0 reviews. So we've got a lot of work to do here to build this account, and this is why you guys are watching this series, start of a new series. So you can see exactly how I build up a brand new eBay stealth account and how I'm going to go from 0 to £1,000 in a relatively short amount of time. When it comes to eBay dropshipping, definitely will be a short amount of time. I've done this many of times actually. This is how I started. When I first started eBay dropshipping, what I did was I went around my room and I sold so many things. I think I got about £800 worth of items sold, and I turned that into a nice chunk of money. So obviously this is a lot smaller than that amount of money, but I have started with small amounts to see if I can actually start with small amounts, and it's just interesting to see where I get, to be honest. But yeah, this challenge is definitely going to be 0 to £1,000. We've got a nice £134 right now, but obviously after fees and everything, it's gonna be £121 after eBay fees, but then it's gonna be another £6 due to postage, so it's gonna be about £115 that we've got to play with here. So that means we've got to think about a lot here when we're selecting our products. Usually I'd have a couple £1,000 to play with, and it would be alright, so whatever order I got, I would be able to process it for the customer. But since we've only got £115 here to play with, it's going to be a lot harder. We're going to have to be a lot more strategic with selecting our products here. And what I've done is I've selected a few products. So I know I said in my automation video, my eBay automation video, that I'll be using Hustle Got Real. Now, I will be using Hustle Got Real, right? I will be using Hustle Got Real. Don't worry about that. Because I know a lot of you guys do want me to do this challenge using Hustle Got Real. I will be using Hustle Got Real. But also, guys, I'm used to these suppliers that I already use, and I know, how to use them really well. And also, I've got good accounts on those, meaning I get discounts on these accounts, meaning an extra profit margin, simply because I've drop shipped for so long and I've done so many products. For example, on Banggood, I get an extra 20% profit margin, so why wouldn't I use that? You know what I mean? Of course, Hustle Got Real does use Banggood, but it's complicated to find the products. I've got to get more used to it. That's basically it. And obviously I use Go Dropship and TomTop and things like that, and they are not on Hustle Got Real. Anyway, enough of the talk. Now let's see what the products I've found. I haven't listed them yet, but I want to briefly go over what these products are and the profits I'll be making. So obviously I've made my spreadsheet here, 0 to £1,000, and so you need to
write down all of your suppliers and you need to find out all of their VATs, because this is a very important thing. So you can write it down here. As you can see, I'm going to list one item from TomTop. There's no VAT there, but the rest I've used Go Dropship, and there's a 20% fee there, which highly affects the profit margin, as you can see here. So my strategy with the profit margins, let me explain this. So obviously we don't want to go for really expensive items. That's why I've tried to keep it under £20, because obviously if we've only got £115 to play with, if we suddenly if we have an item right listed for £200 and we get a sale for that, I can't do it. I can't do the sale because we've only got £115 to play with. I'm not going to go into my own pocket for this. I'm going to do this challenge legit and right. And by doing that, we've got to list everything under £115, of course, but we've got to leave room. We've got to leave a lot of room for if we get multiple orders, it can't add up to £115. And I think I've done a pretty good job with that here. So as you can see here, we've got three products that are fairly expensive. Not really, four, sorry. So we've got £22, £7, £15 and £7. The rest are all under £5. So I really try to keep it good, neat for the customer. I've really tried to keep it neat to the strategy here, as in we will actually be able to afford the product once it's ordered, so we can order it straight away when the customer orders, so we have great reviews, great shipping time and everything like that. So I just really wanted to talk about that here, because I'm sure a lot of you watching this video are going to start this as well. And if you're going to start this with a low amount of money, which is possible, which I'm showing here, £115, which equates to like $150 US dollars, then you can start with that as well. Just follow what I'm doing here. If you want to start, you don't know how to start, of course watch my videos to start, but also if you're starting with a similar amount of money, $150, then make sure you watch all of my future videos on this series, so you can do the same thing and learn a lot from it. Also, if you want to make this exact spreadsheet, I've got a video, one of my first videos, how to create an automatic spreadsheet for your eBay store. So go watch that. You'll have a spreadsheet exactly like this, and it's very efficient. That's what I like with my drop shipping. I want to make it as efficient as possible. By that, I've got the exact title that will be on eBay, so I can just do Control F, type it in. What am I looking for? I'm looking for 2 car sheets. Oh, that's that one. Okay, let's order that. Alright, and I just press the link, got it, order it, do it to the customer. That's what I like. I like efficiency. I look here, I see exactly how much money that product's now going to make me, and then I know exactly how much I've made total as well. So for example, I put one sale here, it will all be updated. As you can see, I've now made £7 here as well. It all gets updated, and you know, it's all just automatic, and that is how we like things. Anyway, let's look at a few products that we're going to sell. So first off, we're going to be selling this 22-piece bar cocktail set, which is going to be very in demand soon, because we're coming into summer, guys. It's April. Many people are going to be in their gardens making cocktails and things like that. So right now, this could be a really good product to sell. And we're currently 62% off on TomTop as well. And the best bit, 0 VAT. That's what we like. We just got a little fee here because obviously I want to get a full refund if it's not received, or if the customer doesn't like it, get a refund for a return. Always get these selected. So I found someone else who's selling the exact same thing. As you see here, we're getting it for £7.43. This man here is selling it for £18.39, and he's got 30 sales. So he's made a nice chunk of money just from this product here. And it's only costing him £7.43. Of course, taking into eBay fees and everything like that, we'll only be making £7.20, but per sale. So if you do £7 times 30, that's a decent amount of money. You know, that's £210 from one product. One product. That's a very good. So you can make money with smaller products. You can. You don't just have to list the 3D printers that go for £500. You know, you don't have to do that. It is good to do those if you have the money for it. But if you don't, you can build it up with this. Don't worry. It's not an issue. We're doing low products here, and let's see how quickly we build this up. I'm not saying we're going to get sales straight away, because this is a new account. We've got to build it very slowly. We can't just list 100 products. Because we'll get restricted, you know, we'll get restricted. So we've got to be very careful with how we do this. That's why I don't want to be listing more than 10 products today. So now you may be thinking, oh, okay, I'm just going to copy all these photos and upload them onto eBay. No, that is not what we do. That is not what we do. what we do is we download the products from the product page here, we get these products downloaded, and then we list something just like this onto the product. So it'll be up here and it just looks more professional, but I'm actually going to find something different. So all you're going to have to do is going to go on Google and you're going to type in UK stock eBay pick. We're going to find something like this. It's anything like this, but I'm going to use this one. And you just got to download that. You download something like this as well. Whack that on your Photoshop and it will look, you'll get more sales. I'm telling you, if your competitors, right, have a cheaper listing, okay, they have a cheaper listing than you, same product, but yours is a bit more, but they don't have this on their product images, they're gonna pick you. People know there's dropshippers on here and things come from China. People know this, and if this is here, it confirms for the customer that they are indeed definitely getting UK stock. It will be fast shipping. They are not going to have to wait for weeks for it to arrive. They know that for sure when they see this on your listing. And that extra couple pounds is worth it to them. It just is. It's worth it to me if I was buying as well. 100%. So if you have these, you pick the best product images. It just looks the best. So I'm going to get all these product images downloaded. I'm going to put it on Photoshop. I'm going to add all of these and I'm going to speed it up for you guys so you can see me do it. And I'll see you in a second. Alright, so we've got 7 products now listed. I couldn't do the Rubik's Cube because it was out of stock, I didn't even realise. But look at this, guys. We're already getting views here. It's doing nicely. And also, I made such a stupid mistake. I forgot that on a new account you can't promote. You have to get a few sales first and you'll be able to promote. Like if I show you here, new accounts they just can't promote. You get an error. I was like, have I already been suspended? But no, it's just a new account. Like once we've got a few sales, we'll be good for sure. Or maybe even just when this is delivered, then we should be good as well. So we'll have to see there. But we've done all right here. So we've got 7 products listed, and there's 7 good products as well. So £1 price will be on almost 100% profit margin on this product. That's how you got to see it. You got to see the percentages, not the pound. Because if you get 100 of these sales, that's £100 from a £1 item. £1.68 item, £1.50 profit, £1.60 profit per one. That's very, very, very good profit margin. That's pretty much unheard of. That is very, very good profit margins. Here, once again, £2, £1.13, 50% profit margin there. Think about that's really, really good. Here as well, £1.40 for £2.50. We've got some good profit margins here. But also here as well, another 100% profit margin. £7.40, £7.20 profit. Very good profit margins we've got here. I wouldn't advise using the same products in your store because it's just not going to work well for you if we do the same products, but do it if you want to. I'm not going to stop you, but I'm just warning you now, it's not going to work well for you if we both do it. But yeah, hopefully in the next video we'll have some sales. We'll be all ready to go. I'll list a few more things on Hustle Got Real for next week. and get things sorted there. There should be some more products listed by next episode, and hopefully we'll have some sales as well, which I'll fill you in there. But until we can start promoting the products, it's going to be harder to get the first few sales. So I'm going to work hard on that. Hopefully the product images that I worked hard on are all really good as well. As I look at these product images, this is really good. I think these will definitely get some nice sales here. I just realised I made such a silly mistake. My name Product Space, not Product World. Oh no, I made such a silly mistake there. I mean, it'll be fine. People understand product underscore world, product underscore space, same thing. I don't think it will affect the customer too much. We'll have to see really. If we're not getting sales, I'll just have to change it. But I don't think it's a big deal. This is the first thing they see: UK stock, all order shipped from a UK stock, and they'll be very happy about that. But yeah, that is now the end of the video. I've spent a lot of time making this video, more than you think. It really has. This has been one of my longest videos to actually make ever. It's taken a good couple of days. This itself has taken hours. Yeah, I would really appreciate if you could like and subscribe if you think you got any value from this, and comment down below if you're ready for the next episode and excited. So yeah, thank you very much, and have a lovely rest of your day.